So, hey guys, it's me, Eloisa, and today I'm gonna have a few talks through things. So if you hear rustling and stuff in the background, I have guinea pigs, okay? And sorry for the bad angle. It's just I kept on trying to get a really good angle. So yeah, I have no clue where my mascot is, so I'm using this LPS. And this really nice necklace. Like, I really like this necklace. So, yeah. So, if you talk about this is basically one of my first LPS videos, as I said, yo. And, yeah, I might do a video of, my guinea pigs. Yeah, my guinea pigs. Guinea pigs. Oh my goodness. And I want to do a few shoutouts. Only two though. Only two. Well, maybe yeah. I'll go with three. Okay. So the first shout out goes to Boreana Gaming. I know her. She's one of my best friends. It is. So, yeah, I know her. She did a video of her new hamster. It's so cute. And then this boy called Big Mania, something like that. Forgot, but yeah, I know him too. He forgot me, but yeah, because I need to go to school. He didn't really know me that much. You know, I was there for a long time, and then I left really early. My house, and also Purple Banana 25. So those are my shoutouts I'm going to go to today. Guinea pigs, please stop moving right now, please. Oh my goodness, please stop moving. Oh yeah, oh, don't mind, they're just having a little eat, the little hay. Yeah, and their names are Chi-Chi and Marble. Be quiet, please, like, seriously. And also, I didn't do a video of making this little, like, book. So basically, here's what the book looks like. The cover is this rainbow tape. That comes out now. The back has this red pencil I drew on the back. And then we open it. Oh, baby's okay. I keep on turning it the wrong way around. Inside has this little baby. Okay, don't mind those noises. It sounds like a helicopter. You guys know what that means? Comment down below. They really annoy me. So let me get on. So basically, I do vlogs. Go check my first thing. I play Roblox. I do LPS, baby lives, Barbies, all those sorts of stuff. Ow, 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 owie, 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 ow. The worst way to start our first LPS video. Okay, don't mind that. Just pretend that never happened. Like, never, ever happened. So yeah. And I might do a bakery video soon once my desk is all tidy, because my desk right now back there. Don't mind that. It's a big mess. Wait, I need to get this footage. She was eating that. Baby! No! Can you hear that? Wait. I'll be silent when it does it again. Be silent once it does it again. I'll be silent once that does the helicopter noise again. So I can show her this video so she knows and she can sort whatever it is out. So yeah, basically I have shotguns. I have loads of shotguns really. I have like 1,000 shotguns, like nearly 200 shotguns. Yeah, I have 147 shotguns. No, 147 shotguns, I think. And I have 100 and Baby. No. 145 LPS. Some people have YouTube and they have like 120 LPS. I'm not trying to judge, but you have better ones than me. I have a new one. That's all I have. Okay. I really need some more old ones. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So subscribe, like. Drinking the water. Dog. That's awesome. Okay, subscribe, like, and turn on notification bells on. And comment down below what's your favorite subject at school.